Students, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great and you are fit and fine at your home. Let's start today's video, but before it you have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. Student, please study well. If you are having any problem, you can write in the comment box about your queries. I will reply shortly. Student, in the last tutorial we have done chapter number 6 few topics, but in today's tutorial we are going to discuss the topics of artificial intelligence. Okay, so this video is for the revision purpose. As you know that your semester exam is coming, so you have to revise your topics properly. So let's start. First of all, I am going to discuss with you that what is artificial intelligence. Student, artificial intelligence can be defined as a branch of computer science concerned with the study and creation of computer system that can replicate human intelligence. Okay, it means that artificial intelligence is the intelligence shown by a machine which can gained by performing statistical operation on the data rather than being explicitly programmed to do so. Okay, so it is a way of making a computer control robot, or a software think intelligently in the similar manner the intelligent human thinks. Student, if the human intelligence is already there, then what's the need of artificial intelligence? Okay, some pictures are there and you can understand why we need artificial intelligence. Okay, first of all, student, as you know that AI system are used on a day-to-day basis in our daily life. Our life has also become advanced with the use of this technology. The AI system are efficient enough to reduce human effort in various areas. Okay, so let's see how. Like, takes risk instead of human, the place where human life can be in danger. Okay, like bomb detonation, coal mines, space research, etc. So in that place we can use machine in place of human. Clear? Another reason is that a machine can make fast decisions. Why? Because the machine is emotionless. Whatever coding and algorithm we will put in put in a machine, according to that it will give the performance. But human can come under the pressure of emotion also, but machine can't. That's why machine can make fast decisions. The another reason is availability of 24 by 7. As you know, student, human can get tired also. They have a work limit. Okay, the multitasking is not possible, but machine can do it. Machine can do 24 by 7 work. Okay, it can keep eye 24 by 7 also. That's why machine can't be tired. So this is also a reason why we need a artificial intelligence machine. Student, now we will discuss about strong AI and weak AI. Okay, like what is strong AI and what is weak AI. So let's see. First of all, understand the concept. Student, weak AI only claims that machine can act intelligently. Okay, it only pretend it. Machine intelligence need only mimic the behavior of human intelligence, like games, chess, playing cards. Okay, when we play against the computer, not intended to match or exceed the capabilities of human beings. Whether in strong AI claims that a machine that acts intelligently also has mind and understand in the same sense people do. Given the appropriate programming, a computer actually becomes a mind, like robot, AI that matches or exceeds human intelligence. Okay, student? So we can say that we AI applications are narrow and the scope is very limited. Whether in strong AI it is widely applied and the scope is vast. Weak AI is good for a specific task. Okay, like we can say example Siri, Alexa. games. Clear? But we can say that strong AI has incredible human level intelligence. It uses clustering and association to the process data. Example, robotics, automation, etc. So student, you understand the concept of weak AI and strong AI. Weak AI only pretend to be smart, but strong AI actually shows the smartness like human beings. Clear? So student, you also revise the topics properly, go through it. Any problem you are facing, you can ask in WebEx session, okay, or you can write in my YouTube comment box also. I will reply shortly. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.